All right, everybody, this is John. We're going to dive in here and take a look first at the SPX. You can see we've got a pretty big wedge here. Now, there's a lot of kind of timing cycles and stuff coming into play that is actually calling for topping action. I always like to say that cycles and things like that, 76% of the time, they work 100% of the time, but it's just something to keep in mind. As I look at this from a technical perspective, it's very bullish. There's actually ideal squeezes on the 4-hour chart, the 2-hour chart, and the 30-minute chart. So this does bode well for at least a little bit more of a pop. The question is ultimately, are we going to break out here and, race to 8,000, or, are we going to see some more back and forth here first? That's, of course, yet to be determined. If we look at the 4-hour here, it looks great. And then if we look at the 2-hour as well. So just from that, in the in the short term, I'm looking at the very least, can we get another little bit of a pop here? And then we'll see from a larger term perspective, if we come back here and say, okay, well, what's going on our weekly chart here? You can see that we're kind of at the end, the tail end of a big move. And so what happens, like here, you can see we're at the tail end of a, kind of a move here. And then as the momentum fell, in this case, it actually still kind of climbed up. And that can happen. It's rare. That was kind of like the whole, AI insanity and stuff like that. More than likely, typically what will happen is, you get the momentum loss, and that does result in kind of like, oh, we're looking good, we get a pullback. We're looking good, get a pullback. So again, just kind of looking at this, are we going to explode higher from here? Technically, it looks like that. Just kind of keep it in the mind here. That's also a little bit end here. So when I say stuff like this, it's like, oh, am I just shorting stuff? No, I'm long stocks that look great to the upside, and then just kind of keeping an eye on the exits and potentially some bearish hedges and stuff like that too. All right, and last but not least, I want to let everybody know about this. A lot of people have already seen this. They're signed up for it. I highly encourage you to check this out. This is something where, it's always fascinating when you work with traders, because everybody kind of, while there's some things like Henry and I will look at together, like squeezes and things like that, there's other strategies that people will just kind of develop over time based on how they see the market, based on their perspective of the market. And those to me are always the most fascinating. And this is something where I've, seen and understood, things like unbalanced butterflies and things like that, of course, but Henry just uses them in a way that, for lack of a better term, is the most creative I've ever seen it, just in terms of how he sets them up, what he's looking for. And in addition to that, just how he is looking at this as it applies to 0 DTE, SPX options, these kind of situations where if it doesn't work, that's fine, but if it does, it's 5x of the amount that was risked and things like that. And it's especially, especially if things like that, it's like cash settled and stuff like that. And it's one of those where, it's rare when there's a class coming up where I'm like, okay, I actually want to sit in on this. Like, can I help? Can I sit in on this? I want to make sure that I don't miss anything. And this is one of them. So if you are familiar with Henry, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you're not, this strategy is just something where I was going to go through and start reading all this stuff, but really at the end of the day, it's just like, this is something where someone who's now been, Henry's a veteran now in terms of doing this, 15 years trading, and somebody who is incredibly meticulous about what he does, has incredibly detailed trading plans about what he does, and then he's taking like all of that and kind of showing you how he does it with this strategy. So anyway, he's doing a webinar on this on July 15th at 6 o'clock. I'm gonna hop on there as well because I wanna watch it, and then also help out with any questions and stuff like that people have. But I'd encourage you to check it out. It's one of those things where there's moments in trading where you kind of have those aha moments when it's like, oh my gosh, I didn't even know this was a thing. Well, this is gonna be one of those. So hope you check it out and get that impact as well. And looking forward to seeing you on Wednesday night.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.